Window installation experts in Greenleaf ID are ready to transform your home with top-notch window solutions, including window replacement. Greenleaf ID for improved performance and long-term value. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or vinyl window replacement, our team provides exceptional residential window services in Greenleaf. Our window installation experts ensure a seamless process from start to finish, offering custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Energy-efficient windows in Greenleaf ID are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our double-pane windows and window insulation services help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. With our window weatherproofing and window sealing services, you can enhance your home's energy efficiency and enjoy significant savings on utility bills. Vinyl window replacement in Greenleaf is a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and style. Our window style options in Greenleaf ID cater to various aesthetic preferences, ensuring your home looks its best. With our window design services and window consultation, you can select the perfect windows to complement your home's architecture. Window installation services in Greenleaf ID are essential for maintaining the longevity of your windows. Our window frame installation and window hardware replacement services address common issues, ensuring your windows function properly. Regular window maintenance in Greenleaf can prevent costly installations and extend the life of your windows. Home window upgrades in Greenleaf offer numerous benefits, including improved curb appeal and increased property value. Our residential window experts in Greenleaf ID provide comprehensive window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit. With our window replacement financing options, upgrading your windows has never been more affordable. Custom window solutions in Greenleaf ID allow homeowners to personalize their window installations. Our window glass replacement services cater to unique design preferences, providing a bespoke look for your home. With our window screen replacement and window style options, you can achieve the perfect balance of form and function. Window replacement cost in Greenleaf ID varies based on the type and style of windows chosen. Our window replacement reviews highlight the satisfaction of our clients, showcasing the quality and reliability of our services. With our transparent pricing and expert guidance, you can make informed decisions about your window replacement project. Window consultation in Greenleaf ID is the first step towards enhancing your home's windows. Our window design services provide expert advice on selecting the right windows for your needs. With our comprehensive approach, you can explore various window style options and make the best choice for your home. Window replacement benefits in Greenleaf ID include improved energy efficiency, enhanced aesthetics, and increased home value. Our window installation experts in Greenleaf ensure a hassle-free experience, from initial consultation to final installation. With our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, you can trust us to deliver exceptional results. Residential window services in Greenleaf are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Our window sealing services and window insulation solutions provide superior protection against the elements. With our focus on quality and durability, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your windows are built to last. Discover the ultimate window installation experts in Greenleaf ID, specializing in energy-efficient windows and vinyl window replacement. Our team provides top-notch residential window services. Greenleaf, ensuring your home benefits from the latest window replacement technologies. With our custom window solutions. Greenleaf ID, you can enhance your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Experience the benefits of double-pane windows. Greenleaf ID, designed to improve insulation and reduce energy costs. Our window installation. Greenleaf ID services include comprehensive window frame installation and window sealing services. Greenleaf ID, ensuring your windows are in perfect condition. Trust our window maintenance. Greenleaf services to keep your windows functioning optimally year-round. Upgrade your home with our window glass replacement. Greenleaf services, offering a variety of window style options. Greenleaf ID to suit any design preference. Our window measurement services. Greenleaf ensure a perfect fit for every window, while our window consultation Greenleaf ID provides expert advice on the best solutions for your home. Explore our window design services Greenleaf to create a unique look that complements your home's architecture. Our window replacement cost Greenleaf ID is competitive, with flexible window replacement financing options available to suit your budget. Read our window replacement reviews Greenleaf to see why we're the preferred choice for residential window experts Greenleaf ID. Our window installation experts Greenleaf are committed to delivering exceptional service and quality. Ensure your windows are weather-ready with our window weatherproofing Greenleaf services, including window insulation Greenleaf and window screen replacement Greenleaf ID. Our window hardware replacement Greenleaf ID ensures your windows operate smoothly and securely. Trust our home window upgrades Greenleaf to enhance your home's comfort and value. Choose our window replacement benefits Greenleaf ID for improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Our team is dedicated to providing the best window replacement Greenleaf ID experience, from consultation to installation. Contact us today to learn more about our comprehensive window services and how we can transform your home with our expert solutions.